Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High-Growth Businesses. Lecture 2. In today's lecture, we will learn about ideation and opportunity assessment and its subtopic. Ideation, generating and refining business ideas. Opportunity assessment, evaluating market potential and demand for ideas. Market research and competitor analysis, conducting thorough analysis. Feasibility and viability, assessing the potential of business ideas, target customers and user personas, identifying the right audience. Conclusion, bringing it all together. Ideation, generating and refining business ideas. Welcome to the exciting world of ideation. Today, we'll be exploring how to generate and refine business ideas that will take your organization to the next level. Ideation is all about thinking creatively, brainstorming new possibilities, and challenging assumptions. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid understanding of the ideation process and be equipped with the tools you need to generate innovative ideas that will make a real impact. So, how do we generate and refine business ideas? It all starts with a willingness to think differently. We need to look beyond our current assumptions and explore new possibilities. This means being open to new perspectives, embracing diversity, and encouraging creativity. Once we've generated a lead, this involves evaluating the feasibility and viability of each idea, conducting market research, and assessing the potential demand. By the end of this process, we'll have a clear idea of which ideas are worth pursuing and which ones need to be refined further. Opportunity assessment, evaluating market potential and demand for ideas. Opportunity assessment is a crucial step in determining the market potential and demand for business ideas. By evaluating the industry trends, analyzing the target audience, and researching the competition, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions about the viability of their ideas. Data and statistics play a significant role in opportunity assessment. By gathering information on market size, growth rate, and consumer behavior, entrepreneurs can gain valuable insights into the potential success of their business ideas. This information can also help them identify gaps in the market and develop unique selling propositions to differentiate themselves from competitors. Market research and competitor analysis, conducting thorough analysis. Before launching a new business idea, it is crucial to conduct thorough market research and competitor analysis. This helps you understand your target audience, identify potential competitors, and determine the viability of your idea in the market. One real-life example of the importance of market research and competitor analysis is the failure of Blockbuster Video. Despite its initial success, Blockbuster failed to recognize the threat posed by Netflix and other streaming services. By the time it attempted to adapt, it was too late, and the company ultimately went bankrupt. This illustrates the importance of staying up to date with industry trends and understanding the competition. Feasibility and viability, assessing the potential of business ideas. To determine feasibility, you need to consider factors such as available resources, technical expertise, and legal requirements. Viability, on the other hand, involves analyzing market demand, potential revenue streams, and competition. By conducting a thorough analysis of these factors, you can determine if your business idea has the potential to succeed. Target customers and user personas, identifying the right audience. Identifying the target customers and creating user personas is a crucial step in developing successful business ideas. By understanding the needs, wants, and behaviors of your target audience, you can tailor your products or services to meet their specific demands. One real-life example of this is Airbnb, which identified that travelers were looking for unique and affordable accommodations rather than traditional hotels. By creating user personas of their target customers, they were able to design their platform to cater to those specific needs and preferences. Conclusion, bringing it all together. In conclusion, ideation is the first step in generating and refining business ideas. It involves thinking creatively and outside the box to come up with innovative solutions to problems. Opportunity assessment is crucial in determining the market potential and demand for business ideas. By conducting thorough market research and competitor analysis, you can identify gaps in the market and develop a unique value proposition. Feasibility and viability are key factors in assessing the potential of business ideas. By considering factors such as cost, resources, and scalability, you can determine whether an idea is worth pursuing. Identifying target customers and creating user personas is essential in developing successful business ideas. By understanding your audience's needs and preferences, you can tailor your product or service to meet their specific needs. To apply these concepts in your own ideation and opportunity assessment processes, start by brainstorming new ideas and evaluating their feasibility and viability. Conduct thorough market research and competitor analysis to identify gaps in the market and develop a unique value proposition. Finally, create user personas and tailor your product or service to meet the needs of your target audience. Remember, the key to success is to think creatively, conduct thorough research, and stay focused on your goals. With these tools and strategies, you can develop innovative and profitable business ideas that will stand the test of time.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.